Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Chemistry Class. Today we are diving into an important topic from class 12, chapter 8, Transition and Inner Transition Elements. The name of the topic is Metallurgy. Metallurgy is the science of extracting metals from their ores. Let's take a quick look what we'll cover in this video. Introduction, extraction of metals, step involved in the process of extraction, and a real life example, extraction of iron from hematite ore using blast furnace. Most of metals are found in the earth crust in the form of their salts such as carbonates, sulfates, and oxides. A few metals are non-reactive and occur in the free state in the earth crust such as silver, gold, platinum, etc. What are minerals? A mineral is a naturally occurring substance in the earth crust that contain inorganic solids, salts, siliceous matters, etc. What is an ore? An ore is a mineral that contain high percentage of metal and from which metal can be extracted economically. What is metallurgy? Metallurgy is a branch of science and technology that deals with the extraction of metals from their ore and their refinement for practical use. Some examples of metals and their ore with chemical formula. Number 1, aluminium. The ore for aluminium is bauxite and chemical formula is Al2O3 2 times H2O. Second, iron. Iron will get from hematite and the chemical formula for hematite is Fe2O3. Zinc. It will come from zinc blend O. The formula is ZnS. Copper. It will come from copper glans and the formula is Cu2S. Silver will get from argentite and the formula is Ag2S. Different methods are used for their extraction depending on the nature of metal and its ore. Now we will see the classification of metallurgy. So metallurgy are classified into three main types. Number 1, pyrometallurgy. Number 2, hydrometallurgy. And number 3, electrometallurgy. In pyrometallurgy, ore is reduced to a metal at high temperature using reducing agent like carbon, hydrogen, etc. We can extract pure iron from hematite ore using pyrometallurgy. In hydrometallurgy, extracting metals from their aqueous solution of their ores using a suitable reducing agents. We can extract pure gold and silver using hydrometallurgy. In electrometallurgy, metal is extracted by electrolytic reduction of metal or fused metallic compound. Using electrometallurgy, we can extract aluminium from bauxite ore. Now we will see steps involved in the process of extraction. Step 1, collecting the ore through mining. Step 2, crushing and grinding of an ore. Step 3, concentration of ore. Step 4, reduction of an ore. And after reduction, we will go to refining of our metal so that we can get pure metal from an ore. Concentration of ore is nothing but removing impurities from ore, and it can be done by 4 different methods. Number 1, magnetic separation. Number 2, gravity separation. Number 3, leaching. And number 4, froth flotation method. The process of reduction is nothing but converting ore to metal, and it can be done by different methods, that is reduction by coke, reduction by carbon monoxide, by heat, by aluminium, and reduction by electrolysis. Refining is nothing but purification of metals, and it can be done by 4 different methods: liquefaction, distillation, oxidation, and electro refining. Now let's understand these steps through the extraction of iron from hematite ore using blast furnace. The blast furnace is comprised of three zones. Zone 1, coke burn in the hot air forming carbon dioxide. The reaction is exothermic, so it gives off heat, heating more in the furnace. Let's see the reaction involved in zone 1, that is carbon and oxygen combine together to form carbon dioxide. And in the form of chemical reaction, carbon solid plus oxygen gas gives carbon dioxide gas. In zone 2, at the high temperature in the furnace, more coke react with carbon dioxide forming carbon monoxide. Carbon dioxide has been reduced to carbon monoxide. Let us understand by chemical reaction. Carbon and carbon dioxide form carbon monoxide in the zone 2. In zone 3, carbon monoxide formed in zone 2 reduces the iron 3 oxide in the ore to form pure iron. Let us understand by chemical reaction. Iron 3 oxide combined with carbon monoxide to form iron plus carbon dioxide, as you can see in the chemical reaction. Limestone, also known as calcium carbonate, is added to the furnace to remove impurities in the ore, as you can see in the diagram on the top. Calcium carbonate in the limestone thermally decomposes to form calcium oxide. Let us see with the help of chemical reaction. Calcium carbonate decomposes to calcium oxide to form carbon dioxide. Continuing, the calcium oxide formed react with the silicon dioxide, which is an impurity in the ore, to form calcium silicate. Calcium silicate is also known as slag. Let us see with the help of chemical reaction. Calcium oxide plus silicon dioxide to form calcium silicate. The formula for calcium silicate is CaSiO3. It is in liquid. Now let's summarize all the reaction happening in the blast furnace one by one, from coke combustion to iron formation and slag removal. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope metallurgy is much clearer now. For more video like this, subscribe to my YouTube channel Chemistry Class. Like the video, drop a comment if you have doubt or suggestions, and don't forget to share it with your friends.